Hey everyone, in this video we're looking at how to deploy a different branch on Vercel. I'll show you this on the web. First, log into your Vercel dashboard. You'll see all your projects listed here. Click on the project you want to configure. Once you do that, the project overview page opens, showing your deployments, and a settings sidebar on the left. Next, click on Settings in that left sidebar. This loads the settings page with various configuration sections you can adjust. Now, look for Environments in the Settings menu and click on it. The Environments page opens, and you should see a field set for production branch configuration. On the Environments page, click on the Production Environment section. Within this section, you'll find a subsection called Branch Tracking. Click on that. A field set appears that allows you to select which branch you'd like to associate with production. Here's where you choose your branch. You'll see options to select the main branch, your repository's default branch, or you can enter any other custom branch name from your repository. The field accepts either the predefined options or lets you type in a custom branch name. Pick whichever branch you want to use for production deployments. Once you've selected your branch, click the Save button near the branch selection field. The settings save, and you should see a confirmation that your changes have been applied. From this point on, all future pushes to the branch you just configured will trigger production deployments. This means any commits you push to this branch will automatically deploy to your production domains, the live URLs that your users access. This is different from preview deployments, which generate temporary URLs for testing. So if you're working on a staging branch and want that to be your production environment, this is how you make that switch. One thing to note, this change affects future commits only. The configuration takes effect immediately, but you'll need to push a new commit to the newly configured branch to see a production deployment from it. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.